In the remarkably short span of just 3 months, DeepSeek, the groundbreaking AI model developed in China, has successfully mapped and analyzed over 90% of the Earth's ocean floor. This achievement is nothing short of revolutionary. This staggering feat, previously thought impossible, has sent ripples through the scientific community and beyond. The implications of such a discovery are vast and far-reaching, affecting various fields of study and industries. DeepSeek represents a paradigm shift in our understanding of artificial intelligence and its potential applications. It showcases the incredible advancements in technology and how they can be harnessed for scientific exploration. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and extract meaningful insights has opened up new frontiers in oceanography, climate science, and resource management. The precision and speed at which DeepSeek operates are unparalleled. However, the emergence of such a powerful tool also raises critical questions about ethics, governance, and the very nature of intelligence. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, it is crucial to address these concerns thoughtfully and responsibly. Developed by a consortium of leading Chinese tech companies and research institutions, DeepSeek represents a groundbreaking advancement in artificial intelligence and data analysis. DeepSeek is a self-learning AI system designed to analyze complex datasets and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. Its initial focus was on oceanographic data, a field ripe for exploration due to the sheer volume of unmapped and unanalyzed information. The oceans hold countless secrets, and DeepSeek aims to uncover them. By leveraging cutting-edge machine learning algorithms and a network of underwater drones and sensors, DeepSeek can gather and interpret data from the ocean depths with remarkable precision. DeepSeek can process data at an unprecedented scale and speed, making it possible to analyze vast amounts of information in real time. This has allowed it to create a comprehensive and dynamic map of the ocean floor, providing insights that were previously out of reach. Revealing previously unknown geological formations, diverse marine ecosystems, and potential resource deposits. DeepSeek is not just a tool, it's a revolution in how we understand our planet's last frontier. The advent of DeepSeek has sparked intense debate about the ethical and societal implications of such advanced AI systems. This revolutionary technology has the potential to transform industries, redefine job roles, and even alter the way we perceive intelligence itself. Concerns have been raised about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for misuse by state actors. The fear of surveillance and loss of personal freedoms looms large, as does the risk of AI being weaponized for malicious purposes. Furthermore, the question of AI sentience has taken on new urgency, as DeepSeek exhibits an uncanny ability to learn, adapt, and even surprise its creators with unexpected discoveries. This raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness and the future relationship between humans and machines. International collaboration and robust ethical frameworks are crucial to ensure that the development and deployment of AI technologies like DeepSeek are aligned with human values and benefit all of humanity. Only through collective effort can we navigate these uncharted waters and harness the full potential of AI for the greater good. At its core, DeepSeek is a deep learning system trained on a massive dataset of oceanographic data. This includes satellite imagery, sonar readings, underwater acoustic recordings, and historical data collected over decades of ocean exploration. The system's neural network architecture allows it to identify complex patterns and relationships within this data, enabling it to make predictions and generate new insights. For example, DeepSeek can predict the movement of underwater currents, identify potential fishing grounds, and even locate shipwrecks with remarkable accuracy.